Lesson 27, Managing Backup. In this lesson, we'll discuss about backup configuration, that is, you can define in advance various configurations related to backup. Then is taking backup, that is, you are creating a copy of company's data so that in case any problem occurs, you can restore data from that particular copy. And finally, the restore data option using which you can restore the data from any existing backup copy. First of all, we'll discuss backup configuration. For this, we'll go to administration configuration backup configuration option. Here we'll specify folders for various weekdays. By specifying folders, we means that on this particular day backup copy has to be created at this particular folder. Let us say we are taking backup on Monday, then automatically Busy will make a backup copy at this particular path. However, you can change that path at the time of taking backup, but you can define in advance backup folders for all the weekdays. Next is FTP backup, which means taking backup on the FTP server, though we are not discussing this option much, as in our training program we'll discuss only about taking the normal backup, that is simply creating a copy of company's data at any path or drive of your computer, whether it's an internal drive or an external drive. Next is prompt for backup at the time of closing the company. Specify why in this data field if you want that Busy should flash a message at the time of closing the company reminding you for taking company's data. If you specify why in this data field, then basically whenever you close the company, Busy will show a message box to remind you to take backup of the company's data. It's up to you whether you take the backup or not. Next is enforce backup at the time of closing the company. If you enable this option, then it is mandatory to take backup of data at the time of closing the company. Without taking backup of the data, you cannot close the company. So basically, if you do not want to close the company without taking backup of the data, then you can enable this option. Click save button to save the backup configuration. Now we'll close the company. You can see on the screen on closing the company, Busy has asked you to take the backup of company data. However, it's optional because we have enabled only the first option, not the second option in the backup configuration. So it's up to you whether you want to take company's backup or not. Now we'll discuss about the backup data option. Using backup data option, you can take backup of the company's data. Select the company, specify super username, password. Here you can see by default the path is appearing as per the weekday. If you want, you can change this path, that is the path where backup copy will be created. Click OK button. Busy has shown the message box that proceeding for the backup at this particular path. Click OK button. Now Busy has shown the message box that backup copy has been created successfully at the path specified by you. Now we'll discuss the restore data option. In case your data gets corrupted or you're facing any problem in your data, then you can restore it with the latest saved backup copy. On clicking the restore data option, a data restoration window will appear in which you will specify the path of the folder from which the data is to be restored. Here we are specifying the same path where we have created the backup copy. Click OK button. On clicking the OK button, Busy has shown a message box that backup for the company Star Traders is found in this particular path. Would you like to continue? Click yes button. Next, Busy has shown a message box that data for company Star Traders already exists. Shall I overwrite it? If you want to overwrite the existing data with the backup copy from which you are restoring the data, then click the yes button. Otherwise, click no button if you do not want to overwrite the existing data. On clicking the no button, Busy will create a new company with the name Star Traders along with the current date, the date on which you are restoring the data appended to it. So now we'll again go to the company menu, we'll open the list of companies. Here you can see a new company, Star Traders Private Limited, with the current date appended to it is appearing. This is because we have clicked the no button, that we have not overwritten the existing data. In this chapter, we have discussed about the backup configuration, taking backup of the company's data and restoring data. Hope after going through this chapter, you would be able to easily use all these options in Busy. At the end of the chapter, we have provided certain exercise. You can view the exercise on screen and attempt it. Thanks for watching. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel.